the second thing is what the story, the creation stories in Genesis, for example, actually mean, because they actually mean something, and what they mean is absolutely remarkable in my estimation. And so I'm going to tell you a little bit about that story, because it's necessary to understand what the story means to determine if what Nietzsche said about the inevitable destruction of our symbolic religious structures by science was inevitable and necessary. And I think the answer to that is no. We just didn't understand what the hell we were doing, any more than we really understand why we put up Christmas trees at Christmas. So we do that in part because the Christmas tree is a symbol of life, because the tree is a symbol of life, because we inhabited trees for untold millions of years, and we put lights on the trees to symbolize the coming back into the darkness of midwinter of the sun and the light. And so we play this symbolic game that celebrates both life and the emergence of light and consciousness, and we associate that with the birth of the Savior. But we don't know that we're doing that, but we do it anyways. And we do that sort of thing all the time because we're smarter than we know. And that has to be the case because we don't know ourselves. We wouldn't need a psychology or sociology and anthropology or any of those things if we were transparent to ourselves. We're machines, so to speak, that are far more intelligent and wise than the machines themselves can understand. And we reveal ourselves to ourselves in our action and our symbolic gestures constantly, and then have to reflect on that to try to understand what it is that we're up to.